talked to Sean Couturier a few minutes ago, and he said he just felt like there were parts of the game where maybe the guys gave Colorado a little bit too much respect out there. Did you see that as well, and is that part of the growth process?
Yeah, that's like I said, you make a play. That's how you not. It's not disrespect them. It's like be aggressive, like on your plays. It was almost like I'm just going to throw it away because I have no reason why. But like I said, I mean they had 3 shots. I think in the third we had 14. We had a good third, so I don't want to get too critical. I thought we had played a pretty good game. I thought a lot of guys tried hard. We just tighten up with the turnovers, and we need some of our players to make some plays under pressure. That's really what it comes down to.